Hello, welcome back to my channel. Yes, here we are, another wash day routine. My hair was looking rough, a little dry. Y'all, I prolonged this wash day. Y'all don't know, I be pushing this ish back, but my hair is dirty. I'm giving y'all the realness, and here we go. So of course, first step, we shampoo. I use my tried and true Jamaican black castor oil, strengthen and restore shampoo. It's color safe, sulfate free, all that good stuff. Go in the shower, and I always wash my hair twice because the first time is really just a prep. So always wash my hair twice, and then it's time for deep conditioner. So yeah, we're jumping straight into it. I haven't really detangled my hair, to be honest, so I'm going to use my deep conditioner to detangle my hair. So the process is going to take a little longer with the deep conditioner, but we're going to get through it. So the first step, add that moisture. We're moisturizing our hair, taking a lot of that deep conditioner. By the way, I'm using the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Mask, and we're rubbing that all through. So I split my hair into 4 parts. That's what works for me. But I split my hair into 4 parts and then put some deep conditioner on, and then I split it again into 2 parts because we really want to detangle. We really need to get into these curls, bring them back to life. We started off a little crusty, but we're gonna get to cute in a second. So we're gonna put in all that moisture. I'm raking it through. I'm being gentle. I'm taking my time. I'm minding my business. I'm dropping product. That's just me. But yeah, love a deep conditioner, guys. Do not ever, please don't do your wash day without deep conditioner. Put some on. You don't even realize what it does for your hair until it's actually doing it. So definitely put some deep conditioner on. Your hair will thank you later. Your curls will be thankful. Put some on your hair. Me, because my hair is thick, I put on a lot. Definitely, if you have a thinner density or if you have a thinness to your hair, maybe you could put on a less so it doesn't kind of like soak up, so it doesn't overweight your hair. But for me, we pile that ish on, okay? Giving y'all a little curl cam action. Comment down below what you think my hair type is, because I really don't know. So comment down below. I'd love to know what y'all think. I think I'm like a 4A, and then the back is like a 4B. I don't know. I'm just making up these stuff. But as y'all can see, we put on a deep conditioner, and then I go in with my DIY oil blend, and I just rake that through. So it's kind of like, for me, I love to do a deep conditioner with an oil treatment because I feel like it's like 2 birds with 1 stone. So you do the oil, you do the deep conditioner, and then you do the oil. It's the perfect combo. I'd copyright it if I could, but I feel like there might be other people out there doing it. But in my mind, I cracked the code on this deep conditioner again. So we move on to our other strands. We have 4 sections. Gets a little repetitive. Make sure to I played a good playlist, y'all. When I was doing this, I was listening to, I think, Ludacris. Y'all can see me freak out in a bit, but I was pretty sure I was listening to Ludacris and I was jamming out. So the time goes by fast when you're putting on a playlist, and for me, the more I kind of do my wash days and I kind of stay in quarantine, I'm noticing that the more that my roots are growing out and my color is kind of like going to the ends of my hair. So that's exciting. I'm pretty sure my hair is growing, but yeah. So we just do the same thing to the other side. Y'all gonna see me jamming. Y'all gonna see me having a good time because look, life is a party. Like, why not bring a couple shots to the game? I'm not drinking in this. Why did I say that? Edit that out. So once we saturate our hair, make sure all the deep conditioner is on it. We throw on our oil, we wrap that up, and we do that basically 4 times. This is how you know your deep conditioner works. When you could like see your curls kind of getting back to life, that's how you know you have a good deep conditioner on your hand. Also, guys, everything is linked in the bio if you want to take a look or if you're interested in any of these products. What's your waiting to see? After that, we put on, y'all, I have a cholesterol cap this time. I'm getting bougie. Someone calm me down. Y'all know the situation. I have a deep conditioner attachment, and then we're going to get into the shower, rinse all that off, and basically it was 2 hours just to do all that. So here I am, fresh, crisp, out the shower. My curls are moisturized. I'm pretty happy with it. Love that deep conditioner. One of my favorites. I will always, always, always buy that deep conditioner. It's so good. So got my curls back. They were looking crusty, but now we're killing it. Today we're gonna do some styling. So I'm going to be using, of course, the LCO method. That's my method. So I use my leave-in. I use my Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Hydrating Curl Cream. Trying something new. Haven't used this in a while. And then I'm using my oil blend. And today we're doing mini braids. AA. Whoop whoop. Okay, so for this whole quarantine, I've been doing a lot of mini twists, but I thought I'd switch it up, give y'all some mini braid action, you know, do a little whip whip. I'm trying not to do like any protective styling with like extensions, so like wigs, weaves, and braids, because I want to spend time on like focus on my hair during this quarantine time. So I'm trying not to put any wigs and weaves in my hair. But I'm gonna give my hair some love. So here we are. I did a few. They're coming out really cute. It's always important to hydrate. Look, when I told you this thing took time, I mean, wash day, say it with me, is a full day. It's a journey, but we're getting through it. So yeah, so here I am. I'm putting in the work. So what I do is I put a little water, and I actually tried to put in like a moisturizing cocoa water that I found from Cura Essence that I wanted to try, just to, you know, it's just fancy water. And then I put in my leave-in, so that's the As I Am leave-in conditioner, and I kind of rake that through the entire section of the part. Just like a good amount. Just, it's a pretty thick leave-in. And then what I like to do, once I rake that in, make sure my hair is, you know, moisturized. Then I go in with my hydrating curl cream from Cream of Nature, rake that in, you know. This is a protective style, so we're going for a lot of moisture. I'm not trying to be doing my hair. This is probably going to sit in my hair for a good amount of time, at least 2 weeks is what I'm aiming for. So I need to make sure that my curls are moisturized underneath so that they can grow even when I don't know. Who am I? I'm a rapper, clearly. But yeah, so y'all can see I really just popped my fingers just quicker like that. I was already kind of like working on this for some time. So braid all that good stuff up, killing the game. And at the end, I only braid, like I leave like maybe a half an inch, and then I just use any gel you have. You can use Eco or anything. I just used some Shea Moisture gel that I really didn't like. I was trying to get rid of, and I just used that to curl the ends. So don't braid all the way down. Just give it like a little curl, a little, you know, just a little cute thing at the end. So I just use some gel, and I just use my finger and I coil the ends. So yeah. Look at me trying new things, expanding my horizons. I've never done mini braids before. So I thought it'd be cute to try with you guys. And so far I'm killing it. To be honest, it is a little tedious. It took me, I'd say it took me about 4 hours. People put in box braids for the time it took me to do these mini braids. It's really embarrassing. But I'm not the fastest braider, so I have to give myself some sort of grace. But it did take me a while. I'm not gonna lie and be like it was a quick style. No, it wasn't. It was like 4 hours, but at least if I'm keeping it in for 2 weeks, I don't mind. But yeah, just exercise some patience. At the front, I tried to get my parts, you know, as clean as possible. And then yeah, once more, I just wanted to break it down for you guys so you could see what I'm doing. I'm on my last row, so I've just regained hope. There is a future. I'm going to get to the finish line. When I was getting to the front, I'm pretty sure, oh, of course I put in my oil. Love my little oil blend. but I'm pretty sure I used a comb. Yeah, there it is. Just because I wanted it to be a little cleaner, because I knew I probably would, for the styles that I'm doing where I want like some pieces in the front to hang out, I wanted the part to be a little crisper. So I did use my fingers for the rest, but for the front parts I used like a comb just to make sure it was clean. And yeah, just braid that up. And at the end, what do? We coil. If it's like, if you put on too much gel, what I do is I like crunch it, or like I scrunch it, so you know it gets its curl back. And yeah, I think it's, yeah, Jesus, this took me a while. As I'm recording this, I still am in my box braids, and as I look at this, I realize that I'm gonna keep these in for some time because past Reed was going through it. I'm finally done. Here's the finished product, guys. You know, for the first time doing it, I think I did okay. Definitely think maybe next time I'll add some like gold braiding jewelry and situations to it, but for a first time situation, I think it's pretty cute. The length I'm okay with. Maybe next time I'll try it on like stretch natural hair, because I know that's a thing. But I also wanted to show you guys how I've been maintaining it. So 2 weeks later, at the time of this is 2 weeks. I have been working out. I've been sweating in these braids, but these braids still look okay. They look good to me. I see a little frizz, so like I know there's gonna come a time where I have to take it out, but all things considered, they don't look bad. So what I do is I put a little bit of my almond avocado daily moisturizing lotion from Design Essentials for Natural, throw some of that in along with some of my avocado oil, and I massage that into my scalp. So this helps just to prevent itching and stuff like that, also dandruff buildup. And then what I love to do is I put on the Shea Moisture jojoba and yucca, I can't pronounce that word, butter. And they have an odor neutralizing mist that I love when I'm doing braids. Any type of braids, I put that on because it just helps the braids to smell fresh. Because, you know, over time when your hair is like cooped up for that long, it can develop an odor. Nobody wants funky braids. So I put that in so it maintains its freshness. And now I want to show you guys how I style it. Just 2 simple styles that I've been doing so I don't look like ASAP Rocky. So this is the half up, half down. Keep it cute or keep it mute. Just put it up, throw it in one, and walk out the door. Just, it looks more intentional. It looks like, here I am, I came for business, or some sort of business. I don't know what type of business I came for with that. But yeah, that's one of the styles I wanted to show you guys. The other one I wanted to show you guys is like a high bun. This is my favorite. I just feel like it's so 90s, especially with some hoops. It's really, really super cute. But yeah, the high bun is me. You'll probably see it in another video. I love it, love it, love it. And these braids have been giving me life. Definitely hope they help my hair grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, definitely consider subscribing, joining the family, being a part of it. Yes. Also check out my other videos right here.